Seeing the D3DX9_43.dll missing or DirectX error when trying to launch your game? Don't worry, this one's really easy to fix. This error means your PC doesn't have the DirectX 9 files that older or certain games need. Luckily, Microsoft still provides them officially. Go to Google and type DirectX End User Runtime Web Installer Microsoft. Click the official Microsoft link. It should be from support.microsoft.com or microsoft.com/n-us/download. Download and run the installer. It'll automatically add all the missing DirectX 9 files, including D3DX9_43.dll. Once installation is done, restart your PC and open your game again. The error should be completely gone. And that's it. Quick, safe, and official. If this worked for you, leave a like and subscribe for more easy fixes.